Stop wasting your money on premium subscriptions just to use the new Grok AI on the X platform. Look at this. Every single time you try to access the official AI tool, you get hit with a massive paywall telling you to upgrade. But what if I told you that you can bypass this entire lock screen completely for free? Watch closely, because I am about to show you the ultimate gateway that the algorithm doesn't want you to see. Alright, look at my screen right now. This is the exact website where you can access Grok directly, and I have dropped the secret link for you right down in the description of this video so you can follow along. Once you open it up, you can use their advanced image to video generator. Now, take note, it is not 100% unlimited, but it is completely free, and you don't have to pay a single naira to use it. Watch how simple this is. You just click right here on the image dropper tool, select your image from your gallery, and then paste your custom video prompt into the text field. From there, just select exactly how many seconds you want the system to generate and hit the button. That is literally it. Look at how fast the progress bar flies as it creates the video asset in real time. Go ahead, try it out for yourself right now and see if it worked for you. If you are ready to stop getting locked out and start building your own media empire, hit that subscribe button immediately. Drop a comment below, and I will see you guys in the next video.